Hey everybody, tonight I have made a lentil curry. It's got lentils and chickpeas, and this is an amazing dinner. It's fully vegan, it's very filling, a lot of protein. It's very quick to make. You can make this in 10-15 minutes. Unbelievably tasty, one of our favorite dishes, and something to do when you're short on time. And again, incredibly healthy and delicious. I'll show you how we made it. So these are our ingredients. You've got a lime, garlic, ginger, and an onion. The fresh ginger is really critical for this dish. We like to use the cooked lentils. It makes it much faster. Coconut milk, garbanzo beans, tomatoes, some power greens, and all of our spices. And so with that, everything laid out, then you can start the prep phase. Go ahead and dice the garlic. The ginger, use about a thumb's worth or maybe a little more. We like to use a spoon to kind of just scrape off the outer skin there. It should come off real easy, and then you can just dice the ginger just like you did the garlic. Go ahead and dice half of a red onion as well, and then the onion, the garlic, and the ginger, you can set those aside in a bowl. That'll be the first stuff to go in. Okay, make sure to rinse the chickpeas and set those aside so you've got them ready when you need them. And now we'll start cooking. We like to use a little bit of vegetable broth to cook the onion and garlic and ginger. Note we're not using any oil or any butter here. That keeps this nice and healthy. Once those have kind of softened up, go ahead and add the tomatoes and stir that up and cook for a couple more minutes, and then you're ready to put in the coconut milk. Once you've got that in, return everything to a boil, keep stirring it, and you can start to add the spices. So 2 tablespoons of curry powder here is really what's gonna pack the punch. So spread that around, add another teaspoon of cumin, and then stir all that in, and it should really be getting to be a curry right about now. We like to add a tablespoon of soy sauce. You can put that in now, and also add your lime juice. If you don't have a lime, you can use lemon if you need to. Now go ahead and add the chickpeas and stir those up. Cover it, make sure the chickpeas get a little soft and cooked and absorb the flavor. Now's a good time to add salt and pepper as much as you want, kind of to taste. And then pretty late in the process, you want to bring in those cooked lentils. Obviously, they're already cooked, so mostly they just need to be heated and absorb the flavor. Get some couscous going. We like to use this Trader Joe's whole wheat couscous. Just put some hot water over it, and it'll cook very quickly. And then for the dish, the last thing is to add a big bunch of power greens. These will cook down, so go ahead and add as much as you like and cover it for just a couple more minutes. Go back to your couscous and stir that up, and it should be well done by now. And then just pour just serve that lentil curry over the couscous, and you're ready to eat, just like that. And it's delicious. So enjoy.